Uy, hi! Hello! Kumusta? By the way, ako nga po pala si Lawrence Olieres, 30 years old. I'm a person living with HIV for 11 years and 9 years ng undetectable. I am also affiliated with Hash, Red Whistle, at saka YPeer. Sobrang laki ng itinulong sa akin ng work ko. It's because it helped me to hone more about knowing what is HIV inside my body. At the same time, I gather this knowledge of stories in terms of my fellow people living with HIV. So, ngayon, nag-start ako I'm already 11 years living with HIV. Pero 10 years pa lang ako nag-antiretroviral treatment. Luckily, right now, 9 years na akong undetectable. So, yung undetectable, meaning nun, yung virus inside the body is already sleeping. So, in short, parang once na natutulog na yung virus inside the body, parang it is weakened to be spread inside the body. So, in short, that's what we call in the research right now that U equals U, meaning undetectable is equivalent to untransmittable. Meaning nun is, in Tagalogin natin, di nakikita, di na ipapasa. Talagang it brings out the best in me. Kaya nga during the time that I was already had the knowledge about undetectable, doon ako bumalik sa pag-aaral. And right now, I managed to graduate college 4 years while working, while studying at the same time, na-manage ko makagraduate ng school. Ang kahalagahan ng U equals U ay dapat maintindihan ng mga non-reactive. It's because it eliminates the stigma and discrimination. It's a message of hope to everyone. Hindi death sentence ang HIV. Sa tulong ng antiretroviral therapy, pwede tayong mamuhay ng normal. Kasi HIV is a very manageable virus. Pag na-achieve natin itong U equals U o undetectable equals to untransmittable, bilang tayo namumuhay ng malusog at wala ng posibilidad na maipasa ang virus na ito sa iba. Sa madaling salita, di nakikita, di na ipapasa. Lahat tayo ay bahagi ng pagbabago ng mga pananaw tungkol sa HIV. We can do our part by talking openly about HIV, do practice safe sex, and getting tested frequently, regardless of our status. Always live a positive journey because your life is worth fighting for.